Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. I'll start with the chicken dumpling, then I'll show you how to make steamed bread. Sift flour into a bowl. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Add salt, sugar, yeast, and mix. Gradually add lukewarm water as you mix. Ungatheli kanye kanye ze ingabi manzi ngendlela ongayithandi inhlama yakho. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Collect the dough from the sides. Mix and cover with a plastic or kitchen towel. Place the dough in a warm place to proof. Now let's prepare the chicken stew. These are the veggies I will use. Chop the onion and set it aside. You may add chopped carrots if you would like to. Grate the garlic cloves, then chop the bell peppers and set them aside. This is optional. Chop the chillies. If you do not like it spicy, take out the seeds as shown in the video. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified when I post new work. This is optional. Once the dough rises, knead it or stir it with a wooden stick. I wanted my dough to be sticky for softness. This is like focaccia dough without oil. If you don't like it this way, like sticky, please check the description box for notes. After kneading it or stirring it, cover it again and put it in a warm place as you prepare the stew. Pat dry the chicken and put it in a bowl. Add oil, salt, chicken spice, and black pepper. Coat the chicken by massaging it. Heat the pan until smoking hot. Add oil and start browning the chicken. It's like you are burning the chicken. It must have that skin that is crisp. Sprinkle paprika, turmeric powder, and once all sides of the chicken gets brown, take them off the pan. This is called sealing the chicken. Add oil on the pan. Fry onion for about 2 minutes. Add garlic and chili. Stir. Then add thyme. and stir. Add the peppers and fry for another 2 minutes. Put back the chicken and add water. All the measurements are in the description box below. Dip the spoon into tap water, stir the dough, and scoop it into the pan. You dip in between the scoops. I changed the spoon from the serving spoon to a tablespoon because the pan was filling fast. Close the lid and boil at medium heat for 45 minutes. Now we go to steamed bread. We grease the cups with oil or butter or anything that you have like margarine. Fill the cups with dough halfway up, dipping the spoon into the tap water in between the scoops. Add boiling water halfway up the cups. Close the lid and boil for 30 to 35 minutes or until the bread is done. I did not have to thicken the stew, but if you would like to make a paste with cornstarch and water, take out the bread first and then add the paste. Serve hot. It is so delicious. I'd appreciate if you could press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value to this video. Sprinkle chopped parsley or coriander or green onions. Now I'm checking on my steamed bread and doing the skewer test by poking the bread. If the skewer comes out dry, it is done cooking. Take it out of the water, cool it for 10 minutes, then take it out of the cups. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you try these recipes. See you soon. Bye bye.